I cannot stress how lost I am right now. I drove 45 minutes into the deep woods in the mountains looking for something that, quite frankly, I don't think is here. And I have not had cell service in quite some time. I am just kind of like, lots of one-lane bridges is pretty much all there is. And I am, it's very pretty, but this is not what I signed up for at all. So I have officially scrapped the entire plan. The plan was kind of spoiled. The whole reason I went out to Western North Carolina is because, well, obviously I wanted to go to some new places, but I really wanted to go to the House of Mugs, which is a giant house. Well, it's a little house actually, made entirely of coffee mugs, or the outside at least. And now I think there's like 30,000 mugs or something crazy. They started collecting them like over 20 years ago, and they bought like, I think it was 700 or something for like $15 at this flea market, and they just started doing this coffee mug house. Anyway, it's super silly, I know. I have like a weird bucket list, but I got lost in the woods. I lost cell service. I mean, you name it, it happened. Everywhere I've been, I haven't seen really any Kitsch whatsoever. Nothing up my alley. So I just said, you know what? I'm like headed northeast. I just want to go home at this point. But I haven't lost all hope yet. I'm still kind of winging it on my way home since it's still daylight out. I've just gotten to... look at how cool this place looks. I've gotten to Carolina Treasures on Main. I'm in Wilkesboro. I think that's where I am. North Carolina, obviously, not Pennsylvania. I'm really hoping to have some better luck on the way home. It's like, there's like maybe a good 3 hours left of Antique Mall daylight. Of course, the Sirocco owls. But I've had those so many times. That's the whole thing. Like, if you go different places, you want to see different stuff. And normally I do, so I get pretty lucky usually, but this has not been my trip. Well, this place is a lot bigger than I thought. It's apparently 3 floors. Now, this looks like a lot more of what I was expecting to see for the past 48 hours, and I haven't seen much of any. All right, now we're talking. What are the prices like, though? Because everything's been super high. $5? Moody Mary? $5? Oh my gosh, let me get a basket. Hold on, running to get a basket. All right, let's start here and work our way over. First of all, cute little green, $5, Japan. Very cute. This, like Cheshire Cat looking one, $5. I'm gonna take that. Now the crazy thing about these ones are usually they're pretty chipped up. So the fact that they're not, oh my gosh, look at this. I can't leave that there. See what I mean? It's got like a little bit of wear, but not that much. This is pretty spectacular. I'm gonna take that too. And then we have the clown and no sports. I'm still on my sports band. What is this guy? How fun. This one's only $4? What? We're gonna take him too. Look at the happy little bee. Oh. All right, now what about this one? This is hilarious. This one's $5 too. Oh my gosh. It's like a hungry hippo, an elephant, an owl. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're taking all these. Now, the little lion's so freaking cute. $5. We're gonna take that. Now, Moody Mary is definitely the win so far. It's even got her original tag. This is $5, and in perfect condition, it usually sells for $50. I just had one that was, it was in decent condition. It wasn't in perfect, but it's missing its stopper as they usually are. They're made by Lego Japan. But the fact that it's even got its original tag in for $5. I haven't had that color. They come in a bunch of different colors. All right. This girl's kind of weird, but not bad. No sports. Pink elephants. He's got some chips. $5. Is he too chipped up, you think? He's pretty chipped up. I think I'm gonna leave him, even though he's fantastic. All right, what else do we got? What is this little, Japan, $6 dog bank. That's pretty cute. I'll take that too. Okay, now we're talking. Silly Willy, squeeze my stomach and see what happens. Stop. I don't know what happens, but it's amazing. We're gonna take that for $5. Also, I need to take a picture of this and send it to my group chat because it's hilarious. All right, now the little Occupied Japan figurines. What about these cats? Those are new. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh, a little turtle. I almost called it a snail. String holder for $8. I'm gonna go ahead and get that too. That is really adorable. I've never seen it before, so that definitely qualifies. Now, what are these kitschy little, this kitschy print? Oh, cute, but not my favorite. Also, I'm kind of scared to get them out, honestly. Now, you know what will make me super happy is if it's not just that one booth that I find stuff in. That would be a game changer because it's been kind of rough out there. I know I've been being picky, but the Jiminy Cricket, he's missing his lenticular eyes. I'm unsure about this turtle, actually. After all of that, I'm cheaping out. I think it's cute, but I don't know if I want to spend $8 on it. I think that's a little high because I'd probably only sell it for like 15, maybe 14. So the good news is, even though I haven't really found anything else, I've seen a lot of stuff that's up my alley. $10. Little cowgirl? Hold on, let me see if this works. This is awesome. What? Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. Cowgirl music box, $10. Now this I'm definitely gonna get. Super unique. All right, and we got some, oh my gosh. Now, the little cat is cute. I've had this one before, $12. Yeah, that's a little pricey. That's more than I sold mine for. And this planter is fun. I'm sure it's expensive. $10. It's not bad, but it's got some damage. What is this fabulous horse? Oh my gosh, that's so stinking cute. Now, I've had these, or at least versions of these Relpo head vases, 16. They don't look right, actually. They look Repop. Yeah, I think they're Repop. The older ones in Japan usually have much more vivid colors. Ooh, I love this lady. $20, that's really cool. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend, even though I do believe I could still make money off that. What's this weird mug? Mother Goose, it's new. I think this one's new too. Yep. The Ginny doll tea set's cute. All right, I finished downstairs. Now I'm back on the main floor. I see more good signs. Like the little deer, oh my gosh, so cute. Now I've had these before, but they're getting harder and harder to find. Oh, it's got a nick on its ear. What about this one? This one's got a nick too. Oh, but they're only $4.50. Now these, I might get them still, but I'm trying to stay away from damaged items. These I'm definitely gonna get. Those are incredibly unique. Awesome. All right, let's see what else I left off. I can't even remember where I left off. Oh yeah, here we go. $3.50. I think the last couple ones of these I sold for like $24. These are really hard to find. The little Pixie. I know I bashed the bisque material, but anything in a bunny suit. Little cake toppers. Storks, those are newer. The older clowns mixed with some newer clowns. Cute little happy birthday with its original packaging. $2.50. That's so sweet. Little Red Riding Hood tin toy set. Tin litho. It's not in great condition. I've had it before. Chocolate cardinals. Are these Miller Studio? They are. I've never seen cardinals. $5. Well, we can't leave anything that we haven't seen before by Miller Studios for $5. Now, I am noticing that one has a little nick, but the other one does not. So since it's only $5, I won't sell them for top dollar, but I'm gonna sell them as a pair and get them anyway. Oh, look at this little sad puppy. He's kind of seen better days. Well, this is kind of interesting, isn't it? Ah, the lingerie salt and pepper shakers. Oh my gosh, I love this set. $10, no discount. Definitely, you know what? Should I stop being cheap? Because they're pretty great. They are, they're harder to find. Let me look up what my last pair sold for, because I've only ever found them, had them, not found them once before. You know what? I actually can't find them. I know I had the bank. Maybe that's what I'm thinking about. I'm gonna go ahead and get them for $10. That's not chipped right now, that's paper from the original tag. Now, I will say, while I was Googling that, I saw this hiding in the corner. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking spectacular. I've never seen this version of the Napco, and it's only $8. I have seen Get Well Soon. I've never seen a mailman. Usually the postman stuff is harder to find and sells for really good money. I am definitely gonna go ahead and put this in the basket that is overfilling. Now, I have a couple of these little lemon mugs, but they don't have the faces on them. $6. Oh my gosh, drink orange juice. That's so cute for $6. I don't know what to do because I have a couple of these that don't have faces, but you know what? It's anthropomorphic and I've had a rough time of it. I just think it's so happy. I'm gonna take it too. All right, now I'm headed up here for the egg heads. I already see a chip though. Yeah, some pretty significant chips. Dang, that sucks. Ah, the ice cream cones. Oh my gosh, $6. Now this is the plastic version, but still, I love finding these. These are so much fun, and they usually sell relatively quickly. I found the glass version. They have like metal and glass instead of plastic like a week ago, but I'm gonna get them anyway. What is this thing hiding down here? Oh my gosh, it's got a little snail. $6. Oh, that is fantastic. My favorite things. I guess that's the vendor's booth name. Wow, this is awesome. I'm gonna get this for $6.